Hi guys, welcome to Food vs Sharma with me Suman. In my today's video, I'll share with you the recipe of dal fry, which is simple yet very tasty. So let's just quickly get into the video. Heat the oil in a pan. Now add chopped garlic. I have used around 1 knob, that is the whole garlic bulb. 2 chopped green chilies. Cook for a moment and you can see it has changed its color. Here we will add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Cook until it is reduced and a paste-like consistency is formed up. Here we will add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Salt as per your taste. Basically, we must never eat raw salt or turmeric powder. So once you add salt or turmeric powder, give it some time to cook. So you can see our masala is all ready now. So we will add boiled dal here. I have taken here 150 grams of Masoor Dal. We'll give this a good mix and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. So it is completely cooked now. Here we will add water. So the amount of water totally depends on your preference. Mix well so that there is no lumps. So you can see our dal is almost ready now. We'll just wait till the boil comes in. And you can see our dal fry is ready now. Isn't it very simple yet very tasty? Do try this in your kitchen and let me know how it turned up for you. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cool recipes. Until next video, goodbye.